Hello everyone, here we have the IQOO 13 quick unboxing for you guys. First thing first, there isn't a Pro version by the way, just some different variants. Let's unbox it right now. Before we do that, just want you to know that the IQOO 13 is on the shelf of GeekWheels. If you want this one, the link is down below. So what do we have here? The BMW co-branding on the top, but the color we got is a gray one, and it is a 16 plus 512. So right on the top, we have the phone, then a plastic case, SIM tool, lastly a 120 watt charger with a USB-C port, and a C2C cable. If you are looking for the ultimate power and performance, this could be your pick. Okay, now about the phone, it is a straight screen on top with a 2.5D curve. It is a 6.82 inches, 2K 144Hz screen. This combo is a gamer's favorite. Also, the max brightness is 1800 nits, AT-LTPO 2.0. This is actually a very high specs. It also has a 2592 Hz PWM dimming. It protects your eyes better. The frame is smooth and frosted. The speakers on the top and bottom are symmetrical, which is nice. At the back, it is more like a silver gray color, and when the light shine on it, it looks really cool. The camera island is just like a previous gen. It is a triple camera setup. The most special thing about it is that there's a circle of light around it. They call it the monster halo. So whenever there's a notification coming or when there's a certain thing happens in the game, it will light up. It is very cool. Comment down below if you like this design, and there are another 3 colors. You can check them out on GeekWheels. Now this phone is actually all about the performance. It has the Snapdragon 8 Elite on board, and this is also a co-engineered one with the Qualcomm. AnTuTu score 3.15 million. There's also a Q2 chip for gaming inside, so it can provide really good gaming experience. It also has a frame interpolation. For most popular games, you will get the best frame rate, image quality, temperature, and power control. For the short time we've been playing with it, it's very smooth to play Genshin Impact on it. In daily use, there isn't any lag in any of the tasks. The IQOO 13 comes with a 6150 mAh battery and 120 watt charging. It is just the best combo for everyday use or heavy gaming. It supports bypass charging, so if you want to play games with the charger plugged in, you can do that. For the photography capability, overall it is an okay level. We took some photos in the daytime. You can see for yourself. Unfortunately, we didn't have the time for some night photos, so let's see if we can do it next time. It also has the ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, and the place is very friendly. Other than this, it is also IP68 rating, it has NFC, X motor, etc. Now, first impression, the IQOO 13 has made this phone just for the performance, not like its previous gen that wanted to balance everything. If you like the ultimate performance, then this phone is for you. Again, if you want to buy this phone, don't forget to check out GeekWheels. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.